Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, we're not going to be cooking. What we're going to be doing actually is unboxing a new air fryer. They got sent to me from a company called Dreo, D-R-E-O. So we're going to go ahead, in case you've maybe seen it around, wondering about a new air fryer. We're going to check this one out, take it out, see what it comes with, check out the quality, look at the features, plug it in, see what it sounds like, do all that good stuff. Give you an idea whether this is something for you or not. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, so this is the air fryer, the Dreo, D-R-E-O, got sent to me by this company. So we're actually going to open it up to kind of take a look at, what it comes with and stuff, and ultimately see if this is something that, I would actually use every day, or if I would recommend, kind of give it a one-over. Of course, everything comes with a manual, and a before you get started menu. You got a plate that goes in there. And I've never seen this before or anything, so this is new to me as well. Alright, so right off the bat, I got all this film and foam and stuff and all that. So take it out, and that's what you got. Set this box over here. Alright, so, yeah, first look, it actually looks pretty good. I do love air fryers though. I've had so many. I've had so many air fryers. I haven't even done reviews on all of them because some of them I've gotten and they were absolutely terrible. If this review actually makes it out, this is going to be a legit air fryer. So anyway, let's take a look what we got here. So on the top there's a plastic seal. I'll get that off in a minute, but first things first, I'm going to take these little pieces off the side here and just open it up, see if there's anything inside. Or do I press the button? That's cool. So there's a little button on top, you just press it to release it, and pretty simple, that's what it is. And obviously there's one part to it. It's a little basket, and the basket just will obviously sit right in there. So that's cool, and it's off the ground a little bit, or off the bottom of it, so that's good. It gives it some nice airflow. But yeah, super easy, and actually at first look it looks good. Kind of like a coffee maker or something like that. What we're going to actually do, because there's not much to it, is plug it in. Looks like the features might be on the top there. It's all digital, so yeah, super simple. But first look, everything seems pretty hefty, like it's pretty decently built. So I'm going to plug it in, we're going to listen to it, turn on the features, see how it works, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so we got it plugged in, and so what I did, I just followed the instructions in the manual. Basically it just said the basket inside, just wash it with soapy water and then the insert, and then turn it on for 15 minutes just to kind of get the manufacturer's oil, which all air fryers come with. So I did that just to kind of see how it ran and stuff. One thing I like right off the bat though, it does say it comes with, if you log in, you can get a 5-year warranty on this machine, so I do like that. A couple of insights on it. It is 1500 watts, it is 4 quarts, and it does go up to 450 degrees. So there's a couple of good things about it for sure, but the features and functions actually sit on top here, so I'm going to bring the camera angle from up top and bring you in and kind of show you the menu. And actually I got some fish here. I'm just going to try it. I've never cooked anything on an unboxing, but it's got different presets. I'm going to try the fish preset, see how it turns out. So see you in a minute. Alright guys, so here we are. Got the unit turned on. There's a power button right here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to, because I got my light over here so it's kind of shiny, I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit and see if we can get a little better look at. There we go. So power button right here, and then also we've got, let's see here, so got our temperature up, down right here, got our time over here, and then right here is a menu button. All the presets are up here: fries, steak, fish, bread, dehydrate. It has a preheat function if you want to use that as well. But your menu button right here, if you can see, like back in the corner, it's blinking on fries. You don't have to use that either, but the presets, but you just click the menu button, changes the temperature, and changes, it's on steak now at 400, and you can always adjust the temperature and time with the preset itself. but it just goes through the presets. For fish, it's 350, 10 minutes, and actually, that's what we're gonna do. Let me actually, and if you want to preheat, you literally just hit this button over here. See if I can, right here, you just click it, and it preheats. It takes about 3 minutes to preheat, like if you want to do a steak maybe. And it does go up to 450 degrees. I did test that out, so that's good. Because you want that super hot, when you're doing a steak, you want it really hot. So 450 is good. But yeah, it's super simple. The interface is pretty easy to use. All digital, has different presets, times, and whatnot. You could figure it out in a second, not a big deal. So what I want to do real quick is we'll take it down to the bottom again. I'm going to use the fish preset. I'm going to cook this fish on their preset and see how it turns out. I will see you in a minute. Okay, so we are here. I'm going to go ahead and open the basket up, just like that. I'm going to grab my fish, get over here, fish, throw it in, and we won't put it in the middle, but you can fit two to four pieces of fish in there, you know, kind of depending on you know what you're doing. But I'm going to go ahead and try this. I'm going to slide it in, because there's not much to it. The interface is really easy, digital, pick what you want, and go. So we're going to hit this menu button like I showed you. We're going to go over to fish. It's already preset, 350, 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and hit start. And this thing is going to start cooking. So in 10 minutes, I'll show you, kind of what we ended up with. See you in a minute. And I got some more information about it. So yep, see you then. All right, guys. Actually, just one thing I wanted to add. The fish is still cooking. It's only been a couple of minutes, but I just wanted to kind of show this to you. Listen to it. It's actually probably, out of all the air fryers I've had, this might be the quietest one. Very, very quiet. As you can see, you can barely hear it. So I just wanted to throw that in there for you. So that's a plus as well. It's not loud. All right, we'll see. We've got 9 minutes left on the fish. See you then. All right, guys, we are counting down. Let's see if I can get a picture real quick of what it looks like. 3, 2, 1. All right, so all digital. When it does count down, when it gets less than a minute, it starts counting down. So just wanted to show you that. I guess it'll turn off at about 5 to 10 seconds or something like that. Automatically shuts off. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see. Woohoo! I'll tell you what, the whole house smells absolutely amazing, and that's what we turned out. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna grab my thermometer real quick, temp it, make sure we're good. We're gonna eat some fish and hang around, because I got some other good stuff, books and some other stuff to show you, and I'll give you my final wrap up on it. See you in a minute. All right, guys. So got the fish here. Just want to say, that's what we got. You can see it that well, but it turned out perfect. Actually, it did. It turned out absolutely perfect. It's flaky. See, it's still steaming. Yeah. Good job. So the other things that I want to get into is, excuse me, the book. You can tell they put some time into it. The book, all the recipes and everything are actually colored, and it's got, I went through a lot of different recipes, from breads and cookies and steaks and fish and all kinds of different stuff. So that's good. So you can tell they spent some time on it. I do like that. It does come with the 5-year warranty if you want to get that. The reference guide, and the smart control, user manual, all that good stuff. So I mean, overall, right off the bat, the only thing I could say about it is that the front plate, it does get a little hot. I mean, you're not going to burn yourself by opening the basket, but it does get a little warm. So not really a big deal. Wear a glove. I didn't. Not a big deal at all. But overall, actually, I'm kind of impressed right off the bat. And for the price, I mean, I think I've seen them on Amazon. Excuse me, not fish. Amazon between like $50 and $70 or something like that. Actually, I will try to find a link for you to put in the description below, but I'm going to put this thing through the ringer the next week. I'm going to be cooking every day, excuse me, 2 to 3 times a day, everything, and actually put it through the Cooking with James test and see, will it hold up. So I'm cooking massive amounts of food just to see what it is, and actually I'll be coming out with a full review. Should be next weekend on it. But I mean, overall, first look and whatnot, I'd say it's good. If you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Please give a thumbs up and leave an awesome comment. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook/review. Thanks for watching.